Today, I talked about how my makeup remover can easily take off daily makeups, waterproof makeups, even very, very strong makeup. Today, since it's Halloween, I did a look at myself, and this is the character that I have created by myself in my original comic. And this is body paint. But also, I had beauty makeup on the other side of my face. I've been a body painter and a face painter for 3 years. The makeup remover recipe is what I used to use to take off all of this makeup. So I'm going to demonstrate once more. So I took my contact lenses off and my fake lash off. It's in the sink right now. And the same thing, I'm using my DIY makeup remover with olive oil, Johnson & Johnson, no tears, baby shampoo, formula, and drinking water or purified water just to make sure that it does not irritate my skin at all. So I would do a few pours while pressing on it and have a good amount of the product on it as usual. I will leave it there for, I would say, 10 seconds while I'm doing minimal moves. It should absorb. You can already see that there's a lot of color already transferred to the cotton cloth. And you just swipe, look at that. Look at this. It looks like a psychology test, doesn't it? But anyways, I'm not even putting any more product on it. I'm just switching it to another side and doing the same thing. And this is Maroon face paint and body paint, which means this is the kind of body paint that Hollywood uses for its special effect makeup. Also in my hair, you see how much it's taking everything off. It's a little bit of a mess because the whole cloth is completely darkened. I've got a fresh cloth, shake with the cloth on, got the same amount, and I'm gonna press on the beauty makeup side of my face. Also, very minimal movements, 10 seconds, I would say, just to let the oil absorb the waterproof makeup, which is my eyeliner, my eyebrows, and so on. And swipe off. I drew so much. I've put some eyeshadow in my hairline to hide the fact that, I have bald spots. Look at this. And that was a very, very messy face paint or body paint that I've made. And my skin actually feels pretty moisturized. And again, I'm going to, cleanse my face with the cleanser afterward. Hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and follow me. And you can always go to one of my platforms under the same name or go to one of my platforms and be my member so you can get exclusive English content that is shared about my daily life. I'll see you guys next time. 闪颖Blinglish，闪颖课堂。Bye.